Point your AR phone to visualize that new couch in your room, transported right before your eyes as if it was really there. This immersive tech lets you preview pieces with mind-blowing realism before bringing them home. Furniture shopping will never be the same again. Artificial intelligence has been advancing at an incredible pace, and experts predict AI will transform many aspects of daily life by 2030. From augmented reality to nanotechnology, let's explore 10 key ways AI could shape the world in just 6 to 7 short years. By 2030, augmented reality will provide immersive and lifelike online shopping experiences, allowing 3D previews of products within your own living space. Special glasses and phones will overlay digital information onto real-world views through a hyper-realistic augmented layer. Looking to revamp your decor? Point your AR-enabled phone around the room and instantly see that new couch rendered seamlessly into the environment, appearing just as it would if delivered to your home. You'll practically be able to sit on it and bounce on the cushions before tapping a button to purchase, remaining comfortably in your pajamas instead of venturing to crowded showrooms. The AR difference goes beyond basic visualizations too. Say you want acoustic sound tests of a guitar for your budding rock star. No problem. The AR preview may let you strum away, listening to amplified notes transmitted right through the same device used for viewing. Any product you desire to try before buying can be simulated in your personal space. Will AR completely replace traditional in-store shopping experiences to become the new normal in 7 years? Augmented environments won't just redefine retail, classrooms are also poised for an interactive upgrade once AR textbooks and globes display vibrant 3D models to augment lectures and experiments. Visualize the layers of Earth floating before you and peel them back one by one with a swipe. Or have a heart to zoom to 100 times scale, seeing every ventricle in action as blood circulates. Dynamic AR demonstrations will allow hands-on participation unmatched by stale 2D pictures or screens. Multi-sensory memory encoding could help pupils recall concepts more readily. Might AR spur an educational revolution driven by technologically enhanced engagement? Will in-person learning fade as virtual lessons prove more efficient and enjoyable for digitally native generations? Beyond shopping and schooling, imagine having your own smart life assistant anticipating every household need by 2030. Thanks to AI, which analyzes your lifestyle patterns and personal preferences to predict what you want before you even ask. Running low on milk for tomorrow's breakfast? It's already added to your grocery list. Forgot your anniversary again? A gift and restaurant reservation await approval. With all schedules and reminders perfectly managed behind the scenes, you're free to live spontaneously without worrying over details slipping through the cracks. And based on your tastes, new music, shows, and recipe ideas will be curated just for you. No assistants currently on the market offer this degree of intuitive customization, forecast to emerge in coming years. Will we come to view AI as indispensable tools or inhuman intruders in our private lives? Can human-level comprehension ever be replicated in machines? In addition to these, AGI is also coming in 2024. So if you want to know if humanity is ready for this, then do watch the video about it on our channel. And looking ahead, imagine being transported into photorealistic virtual worlds simply by donning a headset in your living room. Thanks to expansive metaverse environments enabled by next-gen 5G connectivity, lag and load times will be relics of the past by 2030. This shared universe transcends physical bounds, letting globally dispersed users meet up and attend events together as personalized avatars. Since virtual malls, stadiums, and meeting rooms can indefinitely expand to accommodate crowds, no high-demand tickets or reservations are needed. What's more, holographic workstations promise remote collaboration feeling as natural as in person. And should health risks arise limiting public contact, the plug-and-play metaverse offers an immediate alternative for maintaining business, entertainment, and social connections without health risks. With many spheres of life transported online, will logging into virtual reality become indispensable for functioning in the real world? Beyond augmented worlds, personalized assistants, and exponential digital creativity, quantum computing marks another pending revolution on the horizon by 2030. But what exactly makes quantum so special? Imagine having access to a computational system that dwarfs even today's supercomputers in processing prowess. one enabling calculations impossible for classic machines in almost an instant. We're talking complex simulations of chemical interactions, optimized machine learning, and lightning-quick database queries. Quantum makes this reality by exploiting subatomic particle behaviors, allowing for unprecedented computational scale. Extending beyond standard ones and zeros, data is encoded in quantum bits, or qubits, equipping a single unit to represent multiple states simultaneously. So while normal bits hold singular binary values, qubits enable exponential layering of information. Already, quantum proofs of concepts are tackling formerly unsolvable challenges, from modeling molecular structures to inform rapid drug development, to honing AI decision-making for self-driving vehicles. Microsoft and others are hard at work on quantum cloud platforms, allowing universal access by the end of the decade. Multiple business sectors stand ready to reap efficiency and innovation gains. Will quantum ascend to the new computational gold standard by 2030? And what yet unfathomed discoveries lie ahead? Speaking of autonomous vehicles, by 2030, self-driving models are projected to dominate roadways thanks to AI becoming advanced enough for full integration. Navigational maps will fuse camera, LiDAR, and sensor input to guide cars safely based on real-time conditions versus human drivers' delayed reaction times. And since self-driving systems share data and learn collectively, predictions further improve network-wide. AI will also power smart traffic monitoring infrastructure, able to optimize vehicles' route assignments for avoiding jams and reroute collectively around collisions or obstructions faster than manual adjustments possible today. With safety improvements and traffic flow smoothing, autonomous transportation is forecast to save thousands of lives alongside hours wasted needlessly brake pumping. Integrating the lightning speed of emerging technologies like quantum computing and AI with the creative complexity of the human mind may enable unprecedented innovation by 2030. Through nano-implants linking brains with the intelligent machines, we transcend natural limitations, expanding analysis, memory, and even collective knowledge. Risks exist in any frontier technology, yet the upside of such biodigital convergence could be monumental. Enhanced humanity may manifest an actualized future norm. And speaking of supporting humanity, AI applications enabling large-scale environmental rescue grow crucial. From tracking endangered species to monitoring the subtle but dangerous climate changes far too extensive for unaided human modeling. AI systems will prove vital, pinpointing with satellites and sensors the spreading precursors of drought, flood, and fire more rapidly than existing statistics allow. Enabling evacuation and mitigation planning is impossible to match through traditional methods alone. The quick AI-aided identification of shifts across fragile ecosystems will save precious time, money, and lives in the coming years. Additionally, as quantum computing revolutionizes simulation capacity, it may finally model solutions for reversing climate damage once intraceable, whether advanced renewables or carbon capture. Paired with AI dynamically managing smart grids, route planning, infrastructure overhauls, and food system revamps, the combined computational potential showcases promise for healing the planet where past efforts have fallen short. Could augmenting human short-sightedness with such intelligent tools offer the answer we've needed to safeguard our civilization? The race is on to leverage AI before the clock runs out.